for injured and arrested Marikana miners have filed an urgent application at the North Gauteng High Court. They want the president to be compelled to release the Marikana report immediately.
Mzokolo Magidiwana was in the midst of the 2012 Marikana strike. He was part of the clash with police, which claimed the lives of 34 on the 16th of August. He was shot 7 times by police while on the kopi. He was one of the first people to testify at the Marikana Commission of Inquiry. Now he and other miners are demanding the Marikana Commission findings be made public immediately.
And now
the president wants to take 3 years to look at the report, so this is hard because it's killing us. We were injured and we want to make claims.
The court is still to rule on the urgency of the matter. Then it will rule on the merits of the case.
They have an odd situation in that the person that they say ought to be as well charged with 34 counts of murder, the deputy president of the country, has the report with him. So therefore it says they are not being favored. It says the presidency is not looking at them favorably, and they are feeling that the president is acting contemptuously.
The Socio-Economic Rights Institute represents affected families. It's given the president a June 1st deadline.
Siri says it will ask Judge Farlam to release the report if the president fails to do so. But the application could be a mere academic one, as the president has already announced that he'll release the report before the end of this month.
Injured miners want to pursue civil claims. They're worried if the report is released too late, it will negatively affect their cases. At least 300 miners want to sue for damages, and they want to know who should be held accountable.
The identity of the actual shooters is not necessary to be known in order to launch proceedings, because proceedings can be launched against the Minister of Police as the nominal defendant actually representing the state. So you don't need to cite the individual policemen involved as defendants. You could just sue the Minister of Police.
As legal wranglings continue, families of slain Marikana miners are still struggling to come to terms with their loss. Fezile Sapendu died on the kopi. His family says they want the truth to come out.
And I expect to reveal those people, or even if it's an individual who are leading our brothers to be dead, and also we as siblings of them to live in this situation of having no brothers who were loved ones.
But Mambush Noki's family says the release of the report will not change matters nor bring him back.
At the end of the day, no matter what the outcome is, those who died will never be able to speak for themselves and tell the truth, and this hurts us deeply.
The case could be heard as early as next week. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News.